Hey guys, welcome back to Route 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. It's Pokémon Shining Pearl for the PC. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570, and for the PC I mean the YUZU emulator because this is a Nintendo Switch game that we'll be testing out on emulation today. Now I already have the game uncapped. As you can see, it says in the bottom right, FPS unlocked, so we will be running at 60 FPS right out of the gate. Now YUZU 8.13 has updated a bunch of new things, including resolution scaling and AA. Just for the sake of this video, because this just launched, this video is simply to show you that the game is running right out of the bat, well, right out the gate. So we're going to actually just show you the config file. It's going to be on the default settings basically here. As you can see, everything is default, although I can turn up the anti-aliasing. I don't know if this crashes this, but here goes. Did I do anything at all? Do I have to hit apply first? Man, I saw nothing. Oh, FXAA definitely did something. Well, we can put on FXAA to make the game look a bit better, but you can see the game is running fine. We're gonna hit OK to that. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It definitely pops more, but more than anything else, I feel like the more smart thing, more smart thing to do would be just to raise the resolution up. If you want to do 2 times or 3 times, the game looks fine, you know. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Now, this is just like Brilliant Diamond. It's crazy. I didn't even realize that was the case. I'm gonna actually turn that off right now, though, just for the sake of the video. Once again, just to show you, it will continue to run at 60 FPS. Can't say I didn't show you though. Can't say I didn't show you. Crazy, I hit apply but it didn't work, so apparently nothing actually changed when I did that. Interesting. Oh crap, I didn't read a single word he said. Can you tell me again? I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention at all. Where does Barry live again? I can't even remember at this point. Is it this house? Dude, where do I live at this point? I don't even know. Oh, yep, Barry's here. Now, like I said, this is the first time I'm launching the game, so there will be a bunch of shaders loading in. So when the FPS drops like this, assume the shaders are loading in, which is going to be a thing for all YUZU games going forward. I really want to test out that FSR and stuff like that on other games as well, so I will be doing old YUZU emulation games that I did, benchmarks that I did before as well. Really want to see what I can do. Alright, cool. I'm gonna go fight in the grass now like they told me not to do, because I'm a rebel and all that. Or I'm supposed to go up to him. Crap, I'm supposed to go up to him. I forgot how much the Pearl and Diamond were basically the same games with just different Pokemon somewhat. I totally forgot that. I'm gonna go get Barry, okay? That's what I thought. Like, don't say anything to me. Exact same thing. Holy crap! If I didn't know any better, I would say I was playing Brilliant Diamond. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. If I didn't know better, I was playing Brilliant Diamond. Am I playing Brilliant Diamond? Is this a prank on me, bro? It's not. It's not, bro. It's not. But anyway, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Just showing you the game runs on YUZU right off the gate, right off the bat. You know, that's what I like, just what I do on my channel. It's literally what I do on my channel. Post you the latest stuff as soon as possible. And once again, for anybody asking me for the link, I can't put the link in the video. I can't do that. Okay? Google it. Moving on. Alright, so we're going to get into our first fight here. It's going to be great, because this video might not go much longer. It literally was just to show you the game ran. I've shown you the game ran. Man, resolution scaling will make this, because I mean, like, this is like what, 720p? Resolution scaling will make this look so much better. Holy crap. Imagine this at 1080 or 4K. I have the RX-570 has room for it. It definitely does. Think of the implications, man. Okay, they about to get smacked around again. I sees you. I sees you. These starvies or whatever the heck they're called. I don't again. Let's go, Piplup. Let's go. Let's go. Once again, Piplup. OG from day one. I had you in the last video. Do. So as you can see, the game actually is loading a lot better. Building the shitters initially, but it is performing quite well, even in these fights. Hey, Starly. We're not having any issues. So this is playable day one. This is playable like at the beginning. Immediately you can play this game. You don't have to worry about shaders too much. You can have an enjoyable experience playing this. It's not one of the heaviest games, obviously, as you can see with how this is. Pokemon Arceus is probably going to destroy it, but you know, this is awesome to play. I imagine I could even do this on integrated graphics without too much issue. Yeah, you better leave. I was about to tell Piplup to smack you. Why can't I keep going out there and throwing more hands though? I like how he says that, but he follows me. I want to spend a little more time, but I'm gonna follow you though. I'm gonna let you finish. I'm doing a lot of massive tapping right now. If you weren't aware, I'm just tapping like crazy right now. I'm like, work, damn it, work. So right off the bat, I saw no graphical glitches or anything. There might have been a glitch where when we started to when it actually went into the battle for a second, the screen was a green screen, but that was only for a second. But other than that, I don't see any glitches in the game. There's nothing like a pop-in or any textures that are missing. It ran quite fine. I said this is 100% playable right off the gate, because I played Brilliant Diamond a lot longer, and Brilliant Diamond did a lot more. I said that this is playable, guys. I said that you're fine running it like this without any issue. I said that you can manage. And one more Pokemon, but like right there, it seems, I don't know if that's just the game or what, but right there, that's the only thing. One more battle and end the video, guys. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. For more emulation on the YUZU emulator, smash that subscribe button to me. I cover stuff like that every day, as well as RPCS3 and Xenia, as well as low-end PC games for you who don't have the high-end specs, man. I'll see you guys next time.